Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to recreate the viral Donsha TikTok trend edit using CapCut. So this edit is currently trending across TikTok and Reels, and I'll show you how you can make one your own so you can make your video go viral too. You can just use CapCut on mobile and then just head into templates options, and on the templates page you can click on a search column at the top, then search for Don'tcha as the keyword, or you can also do with Don'tcha edit. Click on enter or search, and in here you'll see there will be lots of Don'tcha template that you can use. There, this one in 4x3 format, or this one on the square, this one on 9x16 or reels. So you can just choose which one that you prefer. Okay, let's see the other one. Okay, so for example, I'm going to use this one. You can tap on use template and choose your photos or videos. Okay, I'm going to just use photo for example. And then hit on next. CapCut will load the effects and will show you the review of the Don'tcha edit using this template. You can just click on a play button in here and we'll see the result. If you want to edit it more, you can click on this edit more options, but if you already satisfied with the result, you can just hit on export. You can also change the position of each photo. For example, if the position isn't right, you can click on photo and tap on a crop and correct it manually. Just like this, for example. You can choose the position and tap on the check icon at the bottom. So guys, that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next CapCut tutorial. Thank you.